ka na yun, pasarigos.
Pinakal daw na umabata talaga. Kailangan ibang ko talaga ni.
Dapat tong 1K.
Ayan o. Thank you, Kenneth. Thank you talaga.
His head, but I love the thrill. Don't know where this thing's headed, but I know how it feels. If you want to make it go slow, you got your baggage all packed, and I'm ready to roll. Let's go flying higher, a supersonic vibe. Baby, this is a one-way trip. Yeah, let's go flying higher, a supersonic vibe. Baby, with you I win, with you I'm in.
Ang nagmamahal ay marunong mapagbigay. Ang nagmamahal, marunong magpatawad. Ang nagmamahal, nagtsatsaga sa bawat isa.
Like we're taking a little chance to skid away in jet to Manila or Paris, France. I'm sentimental.
Sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Christina na narito ngayon alinsunod sa batas at alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Down for the ride, scary as hell, but I love the thrill. Don't know where this thing's headed, but I know how it feels. If you want to make it go slow, you got your baggage all packed, and I'm ready to roll. Let's go flying higher, a supersonic vibe. Babe, this is a one-way trip. Yeah, let's go flying higher, a supersonic vibe. Baby, with you I win, with you I'm in. Babe, this is a one-way trip. We walked a road.
Christina and Kenneth John, your promise today that for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and health, until death do us part. That is now your definition of your love to each other.
And all the lights dancing on your skin. And all I've done to hold you here again. I'll do it again. I forgot
Ay, girl!
what it's
Pagod
like
muna kaya. Oh, ano yan?
to be believed in.
Aram ko, natakol pa kitang pagsubok na agihan.
Naibig na ako.
Pero saro lang ang nasa puso at isip ko na pag kitang duwa magkaiba, mayong pagsubok na day tagayang lampasan.
And all the lights dancing on.
Your love to each other must be patiently forgivable, because there is no perfect family, but there is perfect love inside the family. Both of you is a gift from God. You need to treasure and lambang sa room.
To the man who made an effort to pursue me. Finally, we are officially married. It has always been my dream to walk down the aisles with you. Ang daming rason ng mga nakaraang taon para iwan mo ko. Pero kahit kailan, hindi mo ko binitawan. Mahal, thank you kasi ikaw yung kasama ko sa panahong mahina ako. Never mong pinaramdam sa akin na nahihirapan ka na din. Hindi mo ko iniwan ng panahong akala ko hindi ko na kaya. Kung darating man yung araw na hindi kita maintindihan, lagi mong tatandaan, nakakampi mo pa din ako hanggang sa uli mong hininga. Pangako, ikaw lang ang pipiliin ko ng paulit-ulit at hindi kita iiwan ano man ang mangyari.
Helping each other sa mga problema, supporting sa kung ano man ang gusto, and ang nakaka-grateful pa sa pinag-ibahan ta for the past 8 years. We help each other to grow.
Kiss me with the lights down now. Kiss me with the lights down now.